Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Pretty neat little graphic that anybody could draw. It's really easy. We're going to start by making a square, holding down the control button, make a perfect square and hit P. We're going to control D and make a duplicate, and then move it in holding down the shift key to make a smaller square. Then I'm going to take a 2-point line and go from that node to that node, and then from that node to that node. See how big this thing is? It's over 16 inches, so I'll set my nudge factor on 18. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and that gives me a shape. I'm going to left click, right click, and then I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm just going to contour the inside 1/4 of an inch with square corners, and I get that shape. Now, I don't have to break the contour part, but it might be easier. You could just fill that in and make a new shape. But go up to Object, break contour part, and then let's move that down. We can actually get rid of our box now, but I'm not going to. I'm going to move it up. I'm going to bring in indexing lines in the center of the page, and then I'm going to move it over and back over to the original spot. Then I'm just going to type out some text, and I'm just going to use Corel Draw. Doesn't really matter what size you make it. I'm going to go ahead and make that bold. You have to click off to make it bold. Control D and make a duplicate, and then move it down, and then Control D, Control D, Control D. Then let's make this one blue. Let's make this one red. Let's make this one, we'll change it up a little bit, make it yellow. We'll make this one purple. And we'll make this one, good looking green, maybe like that. Now, for this to work, you have to group them together. And for some strange reason, when you do the envelope tool with text, you need to, in this case anyway, you need to mirror it upside down. Now we're going to go to Effects and Envelope, get your envelope docker, press Create Envelope Form and put it in there, and see it put the text now right side up. Now hold down your shift key and select both those and go EC. Now I'm going to go ahead and move this box out of the way. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to Control D. I'm going to alternate C that put the rotation in the center, and I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. I think this particular one is going to look better with if you print it on like a black shirt. So we'll go ahead and grab black, Object, Order, back a page. Take away the indexing lines, and that looks pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.